Hey, so today I'm going to make some peach cobbler and I thought I'd share you this really easy recipe. So excuse me all the way up front because I don't measure anything, but I will leave you the ballpark of what I put in there. Alright, here we go. First, I'm going to boil some sliced peaches. I know this one's in pure juice, but it doesn't matter. We're going to season our peaches ourselves. So let me show you how to do that. Okay, so here goes 2 cups of sugar, well 2.5 cups of sugar. I'm gonna put all my dry together, like that. Then I'm gonna put a little bit of cornstarch in there so I can thicken up the liquid. Sorry, probably about 2 tablespoons. Then I'm going to add in some brown sugar. There we go. And it's probably going to be about 1/2 cup of sugar. As you can see, I just throw it in with my hand. A little bit old-fashioned. And then I'm going to mix up my dry all together like this. Pull this all nice and together. Perfect. Now I'm going to add it to my wet so it could boil. And I forgot to add in my nutmeg, so just a little bit. You really don't need that much. You could taste nutmeg, just a very tiny bit, maybe like a 1/2 teaspoon. Cinnamon, same thing, just a little bit. All right, so I'm gonna let this boil together. And oops, I forgot, most important, vanilla, pure vanilla extract, and about a teaspoon of that. There we go. I'll show you the rest in just a moment. So my roux is actually coming together. Take a peek. Cheat sheet, I use store-bought pie crust from Winco. So this is how I put my pie crust in the bottom of the pan. I'm going to do the same after I put my filling in there. And I'll show you what it looks like before I put it in the oven. I'm going to put the oven at 375 and bake it for 45 minutes. Alright, I'm going to add some butter in before I put the pie crust on top. Alright, so before I put it in the oven, I'm going to add a little bit of the peach juice that I made with the peaches and just run it across the top. You really don't need that much, but who knows. I mean, I put a lot in there so that it can still bubble when it's cooking. Alright, and on top of it, I also add a little bit more sugar, just to make sure it's just right. Just right. Like this. Not that much. And ta-da! I'll show you what it looks like when it comes out the oven.